Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. So we are learning here Excel automation. So in this series, today we will learn the join data table activity here. And in this activity, also learn the what is the inner join, left join, and full join. So let's go to the UiPath Studio and see these activities with example. So here you can see uh, I'm in the UiPath Studio. So I'm creating a new program. So press Control N, creating the join data table. So if you want to create the program in the sequence, you as and you can also make the program in the flowchart. So I'm always using a sequence. So you if you want to use the sequence, you can use the flowchart as well. So both are useful, and according to your convenience, you can use that. If you have a large program, then you can the flowchart. If you have a small program, then you can use the sequence. So I'm using here the sequence. So if you want to take the project in the flowchart, you can drag and drop the flowchart and create project in the flowchart as well. So here I am taking the one Excel application scope because we are working on the Excel. So write Excel scope, and in this you can provide the path of the file that you are using this program. So I'm using the data file here. So I show you the Excel file as well. So after that, I'm using one activity that is a read range activity Excel. So here I'm providing the sheet name which I'm to read the data. So firstly I show you the Excel file that I created. So you can see here uh, I have a three sheet available here: customer sheet, product sheet, and result data. So I have taking this sheet, uh, whole sheet, and stored in the one data table, and for the same is the product sheet. So using two sheets, we are creating the two different data table. So go to the UiPath, and here I'm providing the sheet name is a customer, and write in the data table. So here Control K and cost dt customer data table, and after that I'm taking another Excel read and activities for the product sheet. So here writing the product sheet name is a product, and create the output variable here. Control K, product dt prod dt. Okay. So after that we have taken the two data table here. So now we are using the main activity, that is a join data table activity. Today we are learning that activity. So here use the join data table activity and drop here. So you can see here, you can go to the wizard and you can also write the data table here using the property section. So I'm going through the wizard, click on the join wizard, and you can see here there's a two input uh, field and one is the output field. So input field provide the first data table, that is a cost dt, and second is the prod dt. And here you need to create the another output variable. So Control K, result dt, result dt. Miss the spelling here. So go to the variable. After that we change that. So after, you can see here there is a join type. So I also tell in the starting we will understand the also what is the inner join, left join, and full join. So firstly we see the inner join. Inner join, you can see in the picture. Inner join, it means in the both data table have a similar uh, on the like common data that we come and paste in the result. So we can see in the output as well. So go to the UiPath and uh, also provide the one column according to the both data table have a same column name. So here you can see in the uh, Excel sheet, uh, cost ID in the product section and the customer section also cost ID available. So these column are same in the both data table. So here I'm providing the cost ID and also providing cost ID, and the operator is equal. Both are equal, then it's fetch the data. Okay, so I'm providing okay here. So now we can write in the output. We can write in the Excel sheet, result sheet. So using again a right range activity here and write the data in the result sheet. Result data. Okay, and the output data table is a result dt. And also here you can see in the option add header is necessary. So check this field, and now our program is completed. Now you can run and check the output. Okay, so firstly we are using here the inner join, then we'll see both same. So I have show you the output of there is result data is currently empty. So after running the program you can see here the data output data. So I'm running the program. Yeah, program is completed. You can see output is, you can see the output here. So you can see here only the common data are coming, like you can see here the cost ID 1 to 6, and here you can see also the 1 to 6 cost ID, but we have another cost ID not coming in the, like you can see here after 6 7 and 8 cost ID in the customer sheet, and also in the product sheet you can see here 15 12 and 10 cost ID, but this data not coming in the result section. You can see here this data not coming because in the inner join only the common data taking and writing the output section, output field. So I hope you understand the inner join. So let's see the another is a left join. So here I remove the output data and save this file and go to the UiPath and change here the join type. So I'm using here the left join. So left join, in the left join what happened, you can see here the picture. Here is the left outer join. This is called the outer join, left join and right join. There are two types in the outer join, left join and right join. So only here see the only left join. So left join in the means table A. Table A it means a customer data table, and table B is a product data table. So in this join, all the data coming in the A data table, and it means customer data tables, and in the B data table have only the similar with the first data table, like customer data table. So you can see the output. Go to the studio and run the program. Yeah, now you can see. So in the all data coming in the customer data, there is a 9 record in the customer details, and you can see in the result section all data coming in result section, because this is a first table. So first table all data coming in the left join, and you can see the product section there's a 10 rows, but in the output coming only the 6 rows here, because these 6 row customer ID is in the cost in the first data table, but other cost ID not available in the first data table. That's why not coming in the all the details in the second data table. That is the product data table. So I hope you understand. the left join. If you are using the right join, it means then here in the product details all the data coming, and in the uh, customer details uh, only the uh, only matching cost id is coming here. So now we delete this file, delete the data, and let's see the another join type, that is a full join type. So go here, click here, and change the full join. In the full join, it means the both data table values come in the result section. So now again run the program, and you can see the output. All data coming in the result section. Here there is a eight rows in the customer section. So it's all data coming in the result section. In the product section, there is also 9 data. So all data coming in the result section. You can see here all data incoming the these three are the different from the these customer ID is different from this customer ID. So that's why it showing in the below, and matching customer ID showing in the above. So it means all the data coming in the result section. So this is a full join. So I hope you understand all the types of join, like inner, left, right, and full join. So if you have any query, please write your query in the comment section. We will provide the solution. So that's it for today. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.